Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use fast travel feature in the journey in Dragonair Silent Gods. So I made this video, it's for beginner that are still confused how the mechanism in this game, how you can make a shortcut or shorter your time to complete the quest. So firstly, please go to the adventure, tap this adventure. You have to wait the loading, and this is my adventure or my road. So just tap this mini map, tap, and as you can see, try to search this icon, teleportation circle. This is the icon that you can use the feature of fast travel. Just tap fast travel and you are making shortcut to your destination like this, and you can get back by tapping the map to this one. So you have to activate, you have to find this a circle to activate the fast travel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.